Okay, student, today we will start a new chapter, linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. Okay, in one variable. So in this chapter, we will first discuss about algebraic equation and algebraic expression and equation. Algebraic expression and equation. Okay, algebraic expressions and equation. We take some examples of expressions, algebraic expressions, like 5x, okay, 10y, 15z. Okay, these are algebraic expression. Here x, y, z are variable and 5, 10, 15 are called coefficient. Okay, these are coefficient because these are associated with the variable. We can write another expression like 3x plus y comma 10x plus 2 comma x plus y plus z. Okay, x square plus 3, like this. So all these expressions with we say algebraic expressions. Okay, and what is equations? Equation is like 5x equals to 20. Okay, 2x plus 3 equals to 1. Okay, like 3x plus 2y equals to 10. These are called equations. Why we say equations? Because we use a symbol equality. We use a symbol equality of left hand side and right hand side, left hand side and right hand side, left hand side and right hand side. That is why we say it is equation. Okay, and now there are two types of equations. One is linear equation and another is non-linear equation. Now first we discuss about linear equation like 2x 2y plus 3 3z minus 10. Okay, these expressions are called linear expressions. Sorry, this is an equation, this is expression, linear expression. Okay, so 2x plus y or 3z minus 10, these are the examples, and we can write these these expressions are, we say, linear expressions. Why these are linear expressions? Because in variables the power is 1. Every variable's power is 1. Okay, when the power of the variable is 1, then we say it is a linear expressions. And what is non-linear expression? What is non-linear expressions? When we write x square plus 1 y plus z square comma z square plus 3, okay, like this. Then we say non-linear expressions. Why non-linear expressions? Because the power of the variable is greater than 1. Okay, the power, how much power of the variable? Power is 2, that means greater than 1. Power is 2 greater than 1. Power is 2, that means greater than 1. That is why it is non-linear expressions. Okay. Now linear equation in one variable. How we write linear equation with one variable? We can write linear equation with one variable like 2x plus 3 equals to 10, 5y minus 10 equals to 20. These are the examples of linear equation with only one variable. Okay. Now we discuss about left hand side and right hand side of algebraic equation. Okay, left hand side and right hand side of algebraic equation. So take an equation like 3x plus 10 equals to how much we take 22. Okay, we take an example of algebraic equation. Here this side is left hand side and this side is right hand side. In left hand side is 3x plus 10 and right hand side is 22. Left hand side and this side is right hand side. In the middle equality symbol is here. Okay, now we can solve this equation like this way. 3x equals to 22 minus 10, that means 3x equals to 12, therefore x equals to 12 by 3, that means x equals to 4. Okay, x equals to 4. So that means if we put the values of 4 in this equation, then how much we get? Left hand side we get 3 into 4 plus 10, it is how much? 22. 3 into 4 how much? 12. 12 plus 10, 22. And right hand side is how much? It is 22. Okay, that is why it is